This is a giant toaster pastry, right? So it's like kind of
It's a giant Pop Tart?
It's a giant Pop Tart. It's a giant Pop Tart. So I just have some puff pastry here. All I did, all I did was just rolled it out just a tiny bit. And then I topped it with some more jam. I'm using strawberry jam today because I love strawberry Pop Tarts. Those are my favorite. And you just spread it all over the place. You leave a little bit of a border because we're gonna close it up with another sheet of puff pastry. So then to glue it down, I have a little egg wash right here. And all that is just one egg mixed with a tiny bit of water.
The glue.
And yeah, we just glue down our sides all the way around. And then over here I have our second piece of puff pastry, and I just cut it to about the same size.
You just roll it out a little bit, right?
Yep. And then we're gonna top it. Here we go.
Oh, there you go. And then drop.
And we drop it. Whee!
Seal, right?
Yep. And then we
you wanna
seal.
do forks?
Yeah, you can do forks, you can do your fingers, whatever you'd like. And you just
Forks
wanna
to make those little pie marks.
edges are nice and snatched up, just like
Gotcha.
that.
Pinch it down.
Yep, and then you pop that into the oven. You want to cut a little slit on top like that. Boop, boop.
Boop, boop.
Just so you have a little air vent.
Boop, boop.
You pop that into the oven, 375 for about 20 minutes. I have one back
Oh,
here.
you're
that's
skipping
done.
way ahead. I'm going as fast as I can.
You're doing a great job. That looks beautiful. All right, and then I have another frosting right here. This is just some powdered sugar mixed with some heavy cream. You could also use store-bought if you want. And then you just top it with your frosting. You spread it all out.
Oh.
Doesn't that look good?
And then you slather.
You slather, make it nice and
Oh,
pretty.
that is perfect.
And then it's not a giant Pop-Tart until there's a bunch of sprinkles, right? Sanding sugar on top, and you have a giant toaster pastry. How fun is that?